Tastes different.
Jason, is
Let's get this.
Sean.
Yes, yeah.
Sean, you know exactly how to torture us, though, don't you?
Well, you know, it's
No,
like
it's
telling
serious,
you a joke.
yeah, of course.
No, but this will be torture because this is very close proximity. I might have to go out to the bonfire.
No, it's fine.
Yeah.
Don't be silly.
They're
just teasing me. They love it.
No, I'm serious.
I know what you're saying.
That's not that loud, is it?
No, that's cool. Hey, that's without the bellows.
Yeah, exactly.
Still
Come on,
snoring.
get those bags on.
I'm half deaf anyway.